fingers drift slow across the skin. I miss the tender voice waiting in the night. I feel your love alive within. You come to me from the city's roar that hums outside the window pane. I let you in through my magic door to feel your ardent love again. Immerse loving hands in my fluffy hair. Let's move like hugging deep green waves. Let every touch lift me to the sky until the sunrise breaks the gray.